When we receive the mint, the first thing we do is remove the plastic wrap. Then put the seedlings in the water to soak. Soak it for about half an hour. Let it slow down a bit if it wilts. Soak the whole seedling in the water. Then we'll transplant them. We need a bigger pot. If you don't have a big pot at home, you can also use an old wash basin, because mint is very prone to root bursting. So we need to plant it in a big pot. Add more soil, put more soil on the bottom. Then surround it with soil. After planting it like this, you have to water it several times. Let it penetrate slowly after the first watering. Then the second time, and then again, after 10 minutes. If there are yellow leaves, remove the yellow leaves and let them explode underneath. After planting it like this, then put it in a cool and ventilated place. Leave it for a week, then it can be exposed to sunlight. Normally it's easy to do.